Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm continuing working on the Silverado, which behind me, you guys saw the Starlight headliner. Oh man. I would never expect that you guys wouldn't like something like that. Oh well. Everybody have a different taste, so it is what it is at this point. So what's left on this truck is finish the bumper and the headliner installed so I can install the windows. So that's exactly what I'm gonna start doing. I need to solder those two wires. I cannot glue it to headliner because there's lights. So I'm gonna glue it to the roof. Run all of it, make sure everything tucked in and looks pretty good, and then I'm gonna slide the headliner in and hook everything up. You guys remember I purchased some plastics. There's some wiring needs to be fixed. I also purchased myself oven for $20. I don't know if it works. I haven't tried it, still haven't hooked it up yet, but something gonna be trying, definitely doing something today. Bar coating needs to be done. Interior, I wanna finally finish this truck. See here waiting for parts, and they're currently the core support currently on the back quarter. I don't know when I'm gonna get. They told me it's gonna take up to 2 months, so we'll see. Right now let's just start grinding on the Silverado and see how far we can get. That's it, the wiring complete. I also went ahead and glued all the original wiring to the vehicle itself instead of headliner, because you guys remember headliner have all those lines, fiber optic lines. I'm ready to start installing headliner, but I'm super scared that I can damage something. Let's do this. Man, the sad part about that I'm alone, I can't ask anybody to help me. I guess I can do it somehow, huh? Been waiting for this a lot of time. So in order to finish all of this, I need to install the handles, also seat belts and the sun visors. In order to install handles and sun visors, I need to take off 2 of them from original roof. And also the 2 front ones are actually broken, so I need to pull out of my post truck. Install rear seat belts, finish everything at back, then middle one side and front one side. And the interior should be ready for installing the windshield and back glass. Let's get the handles. Alright guys, that's it. Done with the top of the headliner. I'm done. But before I move any further on the interior, installing seat belts and rest of it, first I need to grab electrical tape and tape this off completely. Same thing with that, so it would be covered whenever I put there. This light doesn't sneak through anywhere and doesn't look funky. That's why I purchased tons of electrical tape, so I can tape it off and close some of that light so it won't go everywhere where it doesn't have to show, right, except the headliner. And after that I can start installing the seat belts, well, which ones that I can, and cover, of course, installing rubber seals, plastics and all that good stuff. So let's just continue grinding. Let me show you before I close everything up. That's where I installed the receiver, module receiver, however you want to call it. I make sure I put lots of this glue so it won't rattle in the future and stays there. That's how I taped off and brought it back. And here's this for the cigarette lighter. I'm gonna run the wiring probably over here because there's a carpet breakage to this cigarette outlet. Probably we'll see, maybe to this center ones, but I'm gonna run them in this channel under so it will look nice. That side is complete. I'm gonna cover, no, actually I'm not gonna cover. I totally forgot before I installed that. Then I remembered that I have to install the wiring and I also have to run the wiring, so which I totally forgot. The headliner almost complete. Let's move to which this post or this post over here and install the seat belt. Seat belt. Actually, I think I need to run the wiring first. But before I run the wiring, I need to find it, and we're almost over with the day. You know what? I'll continue tomorrow. I think that's enough for today. Saturday, time to go relax, right? So, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, let's try this one more time. In the backyard, found some wiring, so I already started stripping. So I'm gonna use one yellow and one different color as a positive and the two black ones as a ground. And looks like I should be enough link on the wiring. So let's open it up. Let's make what we need, solder, run the wiring where it needs to be. from here under and go there to hook it up there. Same thing on the other side under and go there to hook it up and make them from 2 to 1 and connect them over there. So should be fun. So guys, I'm done with the wiring. That's how I ran it over there, under, in there, running from here down. The battery died, so you cannot see. I hooked it up there, down, in there, and now I have them all over here next to airbag module. I'm gonna cut them, I'm gonna make them clean. Right now I just wanted to see the lights actually works, because can you imagine if lights doesn't work? What am I supposed to do? I don't know. Take everything apart again? Let's hope that's not the case. Let's turn this lights off and see how can I turn it? Can I even turn them off? I guess I can't. I guess I have to do this. Off. Yes. That's this one. There you go. So, moment of the truth. Oh, please. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. I mean, this first one should turn them all on. No, man. Ouch. It's not working. It's not working. I wonder why. I wonder what's going on. Not working. Okay, so everything is connected. Okay, yeah. So ignition have to be on. Man. Now you can see all kind of lights. Man, what the heck? Oh, really? Is it supposed to be like that or not? I think those LEDs died. Or something. I don't know why it looks like that. Gosh. Oh man. Check this out, guys. Woo! Man. It's nice. Oh, one broken, another broken. Yeah. It looks nice. Man, especially when they're glowing inside like that, it's even better than compared to glowing like that, because they're not distracting your eye actually. And that's actually good to know. If it's under the fabric, it looks pretty good also. It's not as bright as those, but man, still looks nice. Let's see. I'm sitting and it feels like freaking headliner moving because of the lights, the way the lights working. That's white. Let's do fade white, flash, white. I did it. Few more things and I'll be done. Man, I love it. It still looks really nice. I mean, so many lights. It's just nice. I'm done for today, guys. I'll continue tomorrow. So guys, you can see the truck is working. The alignment is somewhat done. It's the next day, yes. Man, I hope it's not gonna be raining. Last week I had an appointment on the glass, but I could not drive this truck because it doesn't have windshield. Oh, it doesn't have a windshield, or it doesn't have back glass. And it was raining like crazy last week. So right now I got off work earlier today, was able to. So we're gonna go there and freaking install the windshield. Also, when I'm gonna come back, I need to cut out the back glass. I'm gonna be using somebody's cutout thing, which is the person gonna install the windshield is gonna give me the cutout thing so I can cut the back glass. Anyway, let's just get there and see what's up. So guys, I dropped off the truck. It's here, Northwest Auto Glass. If you need your glass to be done, come to them. The best price on the market, and I think they're just the best. Oh, totally forgot my glasses. I guess that's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up this episode right here at this moment, because I don't have time. Not just time, I don't have anything else to do on this truck. As you can see, it got dropped off, and that's it. I'm not gonna do anything else on it until I'm gonna pick it up. I thought I have glasses here, but I guess not. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Check out next episode. I'll see you next one. Peace.